abasezengura shampiyona y'Urulanda n'abandi basanzwe mbayireba mu myaka myinshi ishize bahamya ko impamvu ibyemezo basifuzi bari gufatirwa bizana ibyaciye bikuba ari uko n'ubundi bari basanzwe bakora amakosa ariko ndibahanwe none.
Now a great chance, laid off. Mokoena trying to find a shooting angle. Mavubi putting bodies in the way, but that's a brilliant strike.
None bikaba byabaye ikinyuranyo cyambyo umusifuzi yakwibesha uko ni umuntu bandi abanyamupira bo mu Rwanda bamaze.
They were just looking for a chance to find a shot at goal. This touch opened it up. The goalkeeper, though, Fiacre Ntwari, won't want to see that back. He should have stopped it. There was a slight deflection.
Nyamara bavuga ibi birengagiza ko umusifuzi nawe ari umuntu nk'abandi ndetse yakwibesha kuko n'abandi bibesha. Ikindi birengagiza nuko n'andi bateye imbere kurusha shampiyona y'u Rwanda. Bisaba ko bunganirwa n'ikoranabuhanga riunganira abasifuzi Olirango afatwe ibyemezo runaka mu mikino ya shampiyona. Ibi bihita bisobanura neza ko naho bitwa ko bateye imbere. Hari ibyemezo bimwe na bimwe abasifuzi bibeshaho bigasaba izindi nyunganizi. Hari amakuru museke wabwiwe n'umwe mu baba hafi y'abasifuzi avuga ko hari umusifuzi wo ku ruhande wigeza kuyobora umukino wari ukomeye maze mugiye umupira wari ugiye guterwa woherezwe imbere ariko uretetse hasi arangaraho amasegonda abiri gusa. Uyu musifuzi yarahindukiye yisanga umukinyi w'iyo kipe yari yohereje umupira imbere ari kumwe n'umunyezamu. Yahise azamura igitambaro avuga ko bayokurarira kandi atari kuri kuko mu bihe bitagira kurarira harimo na goal kick. Abakinyi bahise bamwirundaho bamubaza impamvu abeshe. Uwamugezeho bwa mbere yaramubwiye ati ibeshe kuko nanjye n'umuntu. Umutoza w'iyo kipe nawe aramwegereye amubaza impamvu yafashe icyemezo nawe amusubiza ko yibeshe nk'umuntu. Bigaragaza ko nubwo baba bayoboye imikino birakuraho ko hari abantu bakwibesha nguko n'abandi bibesha. Umuti urambye ukwiye kuba wowe. Kimwe mu byakemura ibibazo byakunze kugaruka kenshi mu misifurire harimo kubanza kuba ikipe kureka ingeso mbi zo kuganiriza abasifuzi imbere imikino runaka nkuko bivugwa. Ikindi gikwiye kuba kimwe mu bisubizo birambye y'uguhera ugiye abasifuzi insimbura mu bizi bemerewe ndetse no kubashira mu buzima biza uko bishoboka mugiye Ferwafa ayibishoboye ikaba yabo amasezerano ahoraho abasifuzi bakitwa abakozi birishiramwe bahoraho bikaba mu kwitwa abanyabiraka. Ibi biri mu bishobora kuba bibura byagabanya ibibazo bikomeje kugaruka mu gice abasifuzi.
Set the scene, and this man got the second and now driving to try and create a third. Apollos to Modiba, kick back to the winger. He did have Rowan, and he's been a bright spark throughout. Just frustrated to not finish on his weaker side. The shoulder driving into space. He got a run from Gopa to create a bit of an opening, and Modiba returned it to sender. Still looking to... Well, there may have been a change at the other match, and there could have been a change there. Been big parts of South Africa's success, and in the end... Well, now the party can start! It's 16 years since they hosted the biggest show on earth, but it is not since 2002 have they managed to qualify themselves for the World Cup. But Hugo Broos has done it now, 24 years on, and they finally earned their place.